Okay, guys, on the 10th of August, there was a 6.1 earthquake that has hit Turkey. At least one people were killed and lots of buildings were damaged. 6.1 is not a strong earthquake. I would classify it as an average earthquake, very moderate. It has happened on the 10th of August. Turkey was hit by an earthquake of magnitude 6.1. Dozens of buildings were collapsed. At least 29 people were injured. So 9 people were killed, 29 injured. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys. I knew it that Turkey will be hit by an earthquake. I dreamed that in November, end of November 2024, meaning like 8 9 months ago. I knew it that Turkey will be hit by an earthquake, but in my dream I thought it's 7.1. I know it lots of houses will be destroyed, and in fact it is not 7.1, it is 6.1 magnitude earthquake, and 540 people will die. But thanks God, nothing like that has happened. It's only one people has been killed and 29 others injured. So they were lucky. So I knew it 8 months ago. God already told me Turkey will be hit by an earthquake. It is not 7.1, it is 6.1. I get this one wrong. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share it, okay?